Good morning, babies. How are you? Hope you are happy. Today we will do work in EVS and learn sense organs. You know it very well now. What are sense organs? Body parts which help us to experience and understand things around us are known as sense organs. मीन्स जो बॉडी पार्ट्स हमारे चारों तरफ क्या हो रहा है यह समझने में हमारी हेल्प करते हैं उसे सेंस ऑर्गन्स कहते हैं. वी हैव 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स. वेरी गुड. यू नो ऑल सेंस ऑर्गन्स. दे आर आईज, नोज, ईयर्स, टंग एंड स्किन. Now we will do work in our notebook. First, take out your EVS notebook and write date, CW and headings. Write this SENSE sense, ORGANS organs. Sense organs. Then after write body parts and uses. BODY body, PARTS parts, body parts. Now write USES uses, body part and their uses. Today you will write spelling on your own. First, learn with me and then write. Draw the pictures also. This is skin. This is skin. Learn spelling with me. SKIN skin. Once again, SKIN skin. We feel with our skin. We feel with our skin. Now write here feel. FEEL feel. Once again FEEL feel. FEEL feel. We feel with the skin. Now next, this is ear. We have 2 ears, so we will write here ears. Learn spelling with me. EARS ears. EARS ears. EARS ears. Write the spelling ears. And what you do with your ears? We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. Now learn the spelling here. HEAR here. HEAR here. Once again HEAR here. We hear with our ears. Now next, this is eye. We have 2 eyes, so we will write here eyes. Learn spelling with me. EYES eyes. EYES eyes. Write the spelling eyes. EYES eyes. What you do with your eyes? You see with your eyes. You see number of things. Learn the spelling of see. SEEC. double E C. S double E C. Write the spelling C. S double E C. You see with your eyes. Now next, this is tongue. What is this? This is tongue. Learn spelling with me, then after you will write. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Once again, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. We taste with the tongue. We taste ice cream, samosa, sweets, or number of things. Learn spelling with me. Taste. T-A-S-T-E, taste. Once again, T-A-S-T-E, taste. T-A-S-T-E, taste. Write the spelling taste. T-A-S-T-E, taste. We taste with the tongue, and tongue also help us to speak. Now next is nose. This is nose. Learn the spelling and write. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. What do you do with your nose? You smell with your nose. You smell a flower. You can smell perfume and many more. Learn the spelling. S-M-E-L-L, smell. Once again, S-M-E-L-L, smell. S-M-E-L-L, smell. Write the spelling smell. S-M-E-L-L, smell. Very good. After completing your work, show to me. Bye bye.